So many of you are asking how to overcome your past negativities and move forward in life. In this video, I'm giving you a very powerful prayer or affirmation that once start using, you will be able to disconnect from all those past negativities and you could able to fly into your future positively, joyfully and happily. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to see all of you manifesting your goals, desires and dreams and creating massive success. Now, so many of you were asking me in the comment section like, AJ, I have been stuck with my past negativities and even if I want to move forward, I'm not able to go forward and something bad has happened or something negative has happened and I'm stuck with that and I keep thinking about that thing or I could not able to make my mind free from it. And give me something which will make me free and which will help me move forward in future. And if you have requested this video, then do let me know in the comment section because this video is going to help you immensely. Now, all of us are aware that by focusing on the past, we are not going to get anything. The only thing we should learn from past is either there is some lessons to learn we should be learning, or if there were some happy moments or some amazing manifestation we had, we could recall them and we could recharge ourselves to focus on the positive side. So when we think about past, we should be thinking about either learning lessons or we should be drawing some positive inspiration from the past. But most people consciously or unconsciously, they do this mistake and they are also not happy with it. And I believe you could be one of those people that you have negative experiences. Maybe you had gone through some bad times, you got hurt, you failed in a relationship, or you failed in your business, or you failed in your work, or in some exams or some interviews, and or maybe you got abused mentally, emotionally, physically in different time in your life or in different forms. And though you know that those things are already gone in past, but you have been carrying those baggages on your shoulder. And when you are carrying those baggages, you are not able to move forward. And you know that you have lot of potential, you know that you have lot of energy, you know that you are the magical creation of God, you are the awesome creation of God, and all of us are blessed with that infinite power to create magical life. But in many a times, even those people who have hurt you or those people who have created those negative impact in your life, they are no more existing in your life, you are no more in contact with them, or you have already moved on from those situations, but you are still carrying those negativities. And when you keep carrying those negativities, you keep carrying some negativity or some fears or some doubts inside you, and that is stopping you from really achieving success, really achieving all those manifestations that you desire. One of the common example is if you have failed in 2-3 interviews, you wanted your dream job or you wanted a better job and you went for one interview, you got failed there, you got rejected there, you got rejected in another interview, you got rejected in another interview. And even if you are preparing, even if you want to manifest that amazing job and you are not ready to give up because you deserve that amazing job, but next time when you are going, that failure or that rejection is keep repeating inside your head. And in spite of you at one side believe that you can achieve your dreams, on the other side that past experience, that past failure, that past rejection is holding you back. And you are not able to move forward and manifest it. Same way in relationship, if you had 1 or 2 or 3 relationships in your life and those relationships did not work out very well for you, and maybe you got cheated, or maybe you have been used in some relationship, or maybe those relationships were really bad relationships and abusive relationship and it did not work out for you, and now you have let go of those people, you have moved forward and now you are ready to manifest your desired partner, the best person in your life, and you are ready for the magical relationship. But somehow those negativities are keep repeating, and when those negativities keep coming up, you start having a doubt, you start having some apprehension, you start doubting yourself that, oh, What if the same thing will happen again? What if something will go wrong? What if something will not work out the way I desire? So these are the negativities that you keep carrying. Even if you are ready to manifest, these negativities are holding you back. These negativities are holding you back, and you are not able to put all your force, all your positive energy to really go forward and manifest that dream job or that dream relationship or that dream business or that abundance of money or those success, those manifestation. That is when you have to use some tools or some process to really break free yourself from all those past negativities and then move forward. And I have earlier made a video where I have explained how to let go of the past baggages. You can check the link of that video in the description section if you are not yet gone through that video. But along with that video, you can start using this affirmation or this prayer starting from today, in case if you are stuck with your past negativities or past doubts or past failures. So when you start using this in the form of a prayer to God or universe, or just as an affirmation to reprogram the subconscious mind, this will really make you free. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. So I want all of you to right now close your eyes and listen to this affirmation or this prayer when I am going to repeat it. Because when I repeat this affirmation and prayer, it will go deep into your subconscious mind, and then you can note it down and you can repeat it on a daily basis. So here is the prayer for you. I release all things from my past that has caused any negativities and negative attachments. I prepare and welcome new lessons, new adventures, new opportunities to grow and prosper mentally, emotionally, financially, and spiritually. Yes, this is the prayer. Let me tell you once again. I release all things from my past that has caused any negativities or any negative attachments. I prepare and welcome new lessons, new adventures, and new opportunities to grow and prosper mentally, emotionally, financially, and spiritually. Let's do it again. I release all the things from my past that has caused any negativities or any negative attachments. I prepare and welcome new lessons, new adventures, and new opportunities to grow and prosper mentally, emotionally, financially, and spiritually. So this is the prayer, my friend. I want all of you to note it down, and if you want to add like dear universe or dear God or whatever name you have for God that you believed in, you can add it in front of it from this prayer, or you can add at the end, thank you universe, or thank you God. You can add it at the end or in the beginning, and it will be even more powerful if you are a very religious or a very spiritual person. Otherwise, you can just repeat this affirmation or prayer to reprogram yourself. And when you say this thing, when you say this prayer, once you are done with it, take some time and do some deep breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. That will calm you down. And whenever you do this prayer or this affirmation, I want you to repeat it at least 7 to 10 times so that it will really go inside your head. If you just say it once or twice, it won't work. You have to repeat it at least 7 times, 10 times. And those of you who have lot of emotional burden on carrying lot of emotional negativities from past, you people should repeat it at least 21 times. And what is the best time to do this prayer? The best time is doing it in the morning and again at night. But in case if you are not able to do it in morning and night, do it whenever possible. Now, there are some people who may feels that you cannot say this prayer. So in that case, even you can write this prayer in your journal or notebook. That would be also powerful. So you can do that thing. So this powerful prayer, once you start doing, you realize that you are releasing all the negativities of past and you are ready to fly into the future with peace, positivity, health, happiness, love, joy and abundance. And you grow and prosper mentally, emotionally, spiritually and financially. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. If this video has inspired you, or if you have requested for this video, or if you are waiting for a video like this to overcome all the past negativities, past negative attachments, then do let me know in the comment section. And keep believing in yourself, keep believing in your positivity, because you are the magical creation of God, you are the awesome creation of God, and you have the power to manifest all your goals, desires and dreams. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. Keep believing in yourself, keep believing in your dreams, stay motivated, stay awesome. And most importantly, if you want to learn some particular meditation process to release all the negativities that you have been carrying inside your heart, then you can join our powerful program, Heal Your Heart Meditation Journey. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.